Today, the president talked about his recovery from COVID-19.
Now I'm free. I feel perfect. I'm not taking anything.
Trump told conservative radio host Rush Limbaugh that he fought off COVID-19 with the help of an antibody cocktail, Regeneron. Well, tonight we are hearing from the first COVID-19 patient at Tampa General Hospital to receive that same antibody cocktail as the president. 8 News' Justin Shecker is joining us live in Tampa with that story. Justin, I know you spoke with this patient tonight, and he says it worked for him too.
Well, just like the president, Keith, this coronavirus survivor credits the experimental Regeneron antibody drug for helping him get better. He's one of only a few hundred hospitalized patients nationwide who's had access to it while battling COVID-19.
Whatever it was, it worked.
Radio show host Christopher Denson is in the Tampa Keeping It Real underground studio with his COVID-19 survivor pin.
For people to get sick like that, I wouldn't wish that on nobody.
Denson says he also had pneumonia in both lungs back in July when he checked into Tampa General Hospital.
The symptoms just went to coming down, just went down to where my breathing was at a 46 where it's supposed to be 100.
Denson says he felt like he had no choice but to try the Regeneron antibody cocktail when doctors approached him about enrolling in the clinical trial.
I was already feeling on my way out. So really nothing could have, you can't die twice.
The positive effects on his recovery, he says, were almost immediate.
Before the bag even was empty, I was out of the bed. Something I couldn't do for 3 days.
Before President Trump tried the promising experimental treatment, Dr. Kami Kim says Tampa General had trouble signing up COVID-19 patients for the trial.
This week, we've had no problems recruiting patients. Pretty much everybody we asked said yes.
Even if the FDA grants emergency use authorization, Dr. Kim says she hopes the scientific studies continue.
To really get the data to know definitively whether this drug really works and who it works best in, who will benefit the most.
Back in Denson's radio studio and putting politics aside.
I know how a lot of people feel about Trump, but I mean, I was hoping that he took it so he can get back in the race.
So while Dr. Kim says the Regeneron antibody drug is both safe and promising, she'd still like to learn more if it should be given to every COVID-19 patient or just those who fall more ill. Live in Tampa.